If you're considering plastic surgery, make sure you choose an expert. The professionals at Piedmont Plastic Surgery offer quality, compassionate care to help you look your best. Now, meet actress and model Carol Madura.
When you first come in, you're greeted by a pretty place. You know, it's very modern. I love looking at the fish. And as you go into the other rooms, you realize that this is a state-of-the-art place.
Good morning, how are you?
I have known Dr. Willard for 20 years, before he really began practice. And I think he's the only person in the world I would ever let do anything cosmetic to me, because I trust him. There's just something about his smile that just, you know, you feel like you're in good hands. You know that he's going to take care of you. Before the surgery, I was embarrassed to get in a bathing suit because I didn't have a waist. And I had to look at myself in the mirror. I felt really fat. On the day of my procedure, I should have been nervous, but I wasn't, because the staff was just so friendly and so reassuring and just took good care of me. Everybody is there, just right there to make you feel good. They explain everything. And I know when I was coming out of the procedure and groggy, there was this cute little girl who was holding my arm, and then another woman who was, you know, helping me walk and taking care of me, and they checked on me all the time. And I was surprised at how little discomfort I had after the surgery. I was up and around within 24 hours. Well, about 6 weeks later, I had my post-op visit, and quite frankly, I just couldn't wait to show the doctor how much better I looked. I was so proud of myself. You know, here I'd come in as this little fat blob, and he just made me feel like a whole new person. So it was really fun. It really was, just to say, look what you did. Look how much better I look because of you. After the surgery, I have a waist, and I'm proud to look at myself in the mirror. Dr. Reed and Dr. Willard are both totally professional. I feel comfortable with either one of them. They greet you when you come in. There's a sense of comfort, a sense of reassuring, and you know that you're truly in the hands of someone who cares. Both doctors have a patient relations staff member. I've never had anything like that before, but she greeted me, she took me through step by step, and then I knew that if I had any questions after the surgery, I could call and talk directly to her, and she would go directly to Dr. Willard to find out if she didn't know the answer. There's something I just learned about. It's the aesthetics program. It's like the complement to the procedures. It's a skincare program. They have it for adult acne. They have it for those of us that have been really damaged because when we were younger we stayed out in the sun and we really, you know, we ruined our skin. And then there's the dermabrasion, which can get rid of those wrinkles and all those things we don't need, but we really don't need surgery for it. You know, when I think about it, between the surgery and these new procedures, these new non-invasive procedures, I am going to look good when I'm 80. I'd like to encourage anyone who's ever even thought about having any procedures done to at least look into it. Call Piedmont Plastic Surgery and talk to Dr. Reed or Dr. Willard. A consultation is all you really have to do. You know, think about it. If you look good, you feel good. And isn't that what's important?
Thanks for viewing this presentation. Our goal at Piedmont Plastic Surgery is to provide a pleasant, comfortable, and private setting to enhance, refine, and protect you, the patient.